What's up, Geeksters? It's me, Omar from geeksterlabs.com, and today I have a sponsored review for a product that was sent to me from Uunique Londone. And so Uunique is a case brand, so they sell iPhone cases. And I've reviewed their products in the past, and so they have some pretty cool fashionable style cases they use like a good mixture of materials like leather and wood and things like that. But this is a different type of case. This is something that's a little bit unique, as the name goes. This is their Augmented Reality case. And so these cases are, the style of them is a little more simple as far as the body goes. It's like a TPU style case. I'll give you guys close-ups of this in a second with some really cool patterns. But the interesting part is that this case actually works with an Augmented Reality app that they've released. So I'm gonna give you guys a demonstration of how the app works, but these cases retail for about 30 bucks. The ones I have, the Augmented Reality version, they have it for the iPhone. This one will fit the iPhone 6, 6S, 7, and 8. They also have similar style cases for the iPhone 10, but again, I think currently they don't offer these with the Augmented Reality case or box that comes with it. It'll all make sense in just a second, so I'll give you guys a demonstration. I'm going to show you all of the cases that they sent me just so you can see some close-up details of what they look like, and then I'll give you guys a demo of how the Augmented Reality app works with this case from Uunique Londone. Oh, and one thing to keep in mind too is that they have a current promotion going on right now, so if you do buy one of these cases, they actually have a free t-shirt with the same graphic of the case on the shirt itself. And of course, this is just for a limited time right now. So once they run out, that's it. They're not gonna have any more. But they sent me the shark one here, and the other one is like the tiger shredded shirt graphic here. So these are free right now. Like I said, for the cases that still have the t-shirts available for them, when you go to the website and you go to purchase the case, you'll see if they still offer the shirts for that. So that's kind of a nice little promotion that they have going on to kind of push this case out there so people can check it out. So that's it for the intro. Let's get into the review of the Uunique Londone Augmented Reality case. Okay, so here we have the iPhone 10 version on my case. This is obviously the shark graphic, and this is the one that matches up with that shirt I showed you a second ago. And so, like I said before, this is like a hard plastic, like TPU style case that just snaps onto your phone. But it does offer some really good protection as far as corners in the back goes. It has 6-foot drop protection is what the case or the box says about it. And it does have a slight lip on the front of the iPhone. I do have a glass screen shield on my phone, so the screen looks a little raised normal than probably your phone does. So if you do put it face down while your phone is in the case, it's not touching the glass of your screen, which is pretty nice. So, like I said, this is the graphic of the shark. I'm gonna show you some of the other ones that come in here. This one right here, this is a real pretty one. It has crystals on it. Some like, what are those, cherry blossoms? I'm not sure exactly what that flower is called, but so you can actually see there's actually crystals, and when you touch it, they're like raised. Those aren't like actually in the case. Those are raised and bumped up. But this is a clear case, so even though you do see white in there, only thing that's actually on this case is the graphic. So this is like a clear one, just like that shark one that I showed you. So there's that one right there. And I'll be showing you guys how the app works with these in just a second. So just bear with me. Here's another one. This one also has crystals on it. Nice, pretty butterfly one. And those crystals are raised. So that kind of offers a little bit of extra grip whenever you're holding your hand. But everywhere where you see white, that's actually clear. So if you have a black iPhone, that's going to show up as black on your iPhone. I can demonstrate that in just a second here. So I'll pop it out, so you can see right there. So if your phone is black, this case will look a little bit different for you as it will on a person that has a white iPhone. So that's kind of cool. That's a little bit interesting of a different type of tech right there. But those, the graphic is pretty nice. I think it's printed out from the inside, so it shouldn't scratch up or get messed up at all when it's on your phone. Let's check out the next one. Next we got the Flamingo style case. This one's real nice as well. Also has the crystals raised on there. Here we have a race car style case. We got the flags and the flaming tire on that one. Here we got the Chihuahua style case, and that little bow tie is raised up with those crystals. So that's kind of a nice touch right there. So the last one we have here is the kitty cat one, and so this has a cool like holographic looking metal pieces right there, little cat faces, and you get your cat in the corner. And like I said before, all the other ones, everywhere that you see white is actually clear. So whatever color your phone is, it's gonna shine through that. Okay. Oh, and I wanted to show you guys the tiger one as well. So this one, like I showed you, can see is clear. There's a slight curve on the back of the case. It has a good grip to it. It has like a real nice, I believe this is TPU, like a softer plastic, but definitely would be good for shock absorption. All right, so these are all the cases. Now let me show you how the app works. All right, so let's get into the app. So as you can see, there's a QR code right here in the corner. So if you take your phone and scan that QR code, it'll ask you if you want to download the Uunique app. And it's a free app, you put it on your phone. And so once you have that on your phone, let me go ahead and launch it on mine. So you launch the app, so now the app is using the camera on the phone to try to read the box. So if you had this box in front of you on the shelf, as soon as the app sees the front box. Let me see if I can get it to show up on camera. There we go. So you see, whenever the camera of the phone looks at this piece of the box, that thing pops up on my screen asking me to select the model of my phone. So I select iPhone 10. So it now shows me what the case looks like, and I can do like a 3D rendering and I can turn it around, whatever, to see what all angles it looks like. You can click on this button here and it gives you some information about the case itself. You can see a sneak peek of the animation that comes with it. So there is the animation that comes with the app. So what you could basically do now, this allows you to just check out the case. You can also register. When you do a registration, it'll keep you logged in and remember which cases you do have. And so the interesting part is you can click on here and it gives you more things you could do with this, like sneak peek animation. You can customize the color of your car if you want to change the colors and the rims, the side graphics, whatever. And then you can also capture a photograph with it or even record something. You can flip the camera around. If you want to do a video or something with the whatever it is in here. Obviously, certain things are going to lend themselves better than others. So a car, you'd have to kind of film it on the street if you want to use that to do like a Snapchat filter style thing. There's other ones here that work a little bit better if you want to put yourself in there. So these are just a couple different things you could do. So here's the interesting part. Once you purchase the app, once you purchase the case, as you can see there, you can scratch out this little section right here and it gives you a code, a login code for the app. Okay, so once you've logged in, it gives you access to more features for the specific case that you have. So obviously we have the car one here. So that's just one of the examples. But when you do enter as long as you purchase one case and you enter that code, you'll have access to all the other animations that come with all the other cases. So if I wanted to check out, say like the shark one right here. So here's a shark animation. So you can have a fierce shark. See like a shark noise, and as you can tell, I'm like that. Behind this is my computer, so I could even actually do something fancy with the background of my computer, make it seem like that's the background of the water, and like do another quick animation. So there's another one right here for feed me. This is kind of like a game. You can feed the shark, feed them fish or whatever. So that's an example of the shark. But let's go back in here and we'll play with the one for a different one here for the butterflies. Tropical flutter. So basically it adds kind of cool animations on the screen with a little bit of music. Oh, let's go back to the butterfly one again. So that's just like a frame, so if I wanted to, I could reverse this and post a picture of myself inside the frame. So basically, as long as you purchase one case and you get the unlock code, you'll have access to all the different animations and different things for here. So you can take videos, take pictures with these, add them to Snapchat or Instagram, whatever it is. It's basically like an Instagram type of thing. So, you can manipulate them. You can have little animations. So it's pretty fun to play with and you can basically unlock to see all the different things that you can do. And there's quite a few of them already on here. I don't know if I'll add some more eventually down the line, but I think we got 2, 4, 6, 8. So we have 8 different things. Click on a few more right here. We got Flamingo animation. So we got like a little flamingo there on top of my keyboard. So just a couple of examples of things that are here accessible within the app. Once you unlock it, after purchasing one case, and I'll have access to all these little fun filters that you can play around with. Alright guys, well that's it for me today. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about this product, post them down below in the comment section. I read every comment in all my videos and I always answer back as quickly as possible. If you guys want to check out this product on their website, I'll have a link down below in the description to make that really easy for you guys to find. If you want to check out some of my other videos, I got 2 other clips here you can check out. And if you'd like to subscribe to my YouTube channel to be alerted to all my other tech reviews, make sure you click on my face. Well, that's it for me today, and I'll see you guys in the next video review.